Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and we have another guest, another prodigy of Sandeep's Doon Defence Academy. We saw Manav and now we have with us Nikhil. He has cleared his NDA written examination, September 2nd NDA examination. He has scored more than 90% marks in his boards. So let's share the experience of Nikhil with us. Welcome Nikhil to our channel.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so first of all Nikhil, tell us about yourself.
Sir, my name is Nikhil Yadav. I hail from Gorakhpur, UP. And my father name is Radharaman Yadav. He's a farmer. And my mother name is Sunita Devi. She is a housewife.
Okay, so you belong to a farming family.
Yes,
so what motivated you to join the armed forces?
Sir, actually initially when in my childhood, I wanted to be a good person. So during my class 9th, I came to know about NDA.
Okay.
So I thought ki I should be joining NDA. So when I did my class 10th, there I came to know from social media about Doon Defence Academy, where I can enhance my personality, my communication skills, so that I can join the National Defence Academy without any struggles that much.
Okay, foundation course.
So after just completing my 10th board, I joined the Doon Defence Academy Pratham Pag from class 11th with NDA preparation. Yes.
Okay, so you must have given that entrance examination they take for Pratham.
Yes, sir. I've given my entrance exam for the joining of Pratham Pag, and I cleared also.
Okay.
And I joined.
Okay, and what about your board score, board examination result? How much you have scored? In 12th?
In 12th I scored 91.8%.
91.8. And in 10th?
In 10th I scored 83%.
Oh, so you both, I was talking to Manav, so you both have improved from your 10th to 12th result. Okay, so how much credit do you give to that course that has been designed in Sandeep's Doon Defence Academy?
I would say that apart from my board result, I have also improved my communication skills, my overall personality, which is required in the National Defence Academy for any of the cadet which is necessary.
Oh. So you give the credit to the course that has been designed in Sandeep's Doon Defence Academy. So what are the, what has stayed with you? You have passed from the Pratham Pag in April.
Yes,
but do you still follow that routine?
Yes,
rising early in the morning, 5:30, around 5, and until late night studies. So it has remained with you?
Yeah, it has remained with me. Okay. Nowadays, I sleep early at the morning, 10 o'clock, and I just get up at 3 o'clock.
3 in the morning?
Yeah.
You are getting up 3 in the morning?
Yes, nowadays, during my preparation of SSB.
Okay.
And 2 hours I do the study, and at 5:30 I go for running in this ground only. So, and after coming from running, I just get ready for my SSB classes. And this how goes my routine.
Wow, that's inspiring, to getting up so early. So, Manav, share some experiences of studying at Pratham Pag Foundation Course. So like memories of there. It may be of classroom memory, it may be of recreational sports activities. Do you miss that?
Yes, sir, very
atmosphere?
Much. Yes, sir, very much.
So, what do you miss much? Studying?
Yes, sir.
Playing?
Now I miss my friends very much in hostel. How we enjoy our days, how we study together, means group study. That really helped me a lot. And how we perform daily extracurricular activities. We go for running. We go for playing basketball. That's I miss a lot nowadays. Okay.
Which sports do you play?
So I play basketball.
You play basketball, yes, nice. And what about cricket and football?
So that also I like, but I like more in basketball because it is a group player, and we learn how to cooperate, how to do the coordination with our friends, and so from there.
Nikhil, what are your hobbies?
So my hobby includes running, reading newspaper, playing basketball, this all things.
Okay, and you worked on your hobbies. Did you get the time in Pratham Pag course to work on your hobbies?
Yes. So in Pratham Pag, actually we always used to get a newspaper in the early morning. And after coming from our schools, we go for lunch, and after having lunch, we used to study, means give 1 hour to our reading newspaper. And that really helped us in improving our reading skills, communication skills, and be aware of what is happening in our surroundings. That really helped me. And now also I'm going through the current affairs newspaper daily, which helped me to aware my surrounding, what is happening in our neighborhood countries.
Okay, great. And one more question, whom did you told first that I have cleared the NDA examination? Your mom or your dad or your friends? Whom did you told first?
So actually first I told to my mother.
Okay, and she must be proud?
Yeah,
very much. They must be waiting to see you in uniform. So you will be having a victory parade 02 on Saturday, 25th April.
So actually I was absent on that day.
Oh no, that has been scheduled on Diwali celebration.
Acha, yeah,
Okay.
sir, on that day I will be.
And you will also be getting award.
Yes, sir.
From Sandeep sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what about SSB? How the preparation is going on
So
of
the
SSB?
preparation of SSB is going in a right way, but till now the date has not come yet.
Okay.
It will come in November and probably it will be in Jan, I would say.
Okay.
My SSB.
And what is the schedule of SSB classes? Like from early in the morning?
Yeah, from early 8:30 the Pankaj sir class takes class of OIR, that is Officer Intelligence Rating, and after OIR Karthik sir take our psychology class.
Okay.
Till 12:30, and after 12:30 we go for our lunch, and after coming back from our lunch we go for the GTO task. This how goes till 4:30 o'clock, and after that we get free.
Okay, yes. So you are satisfied with your preparation these days?
Yes,
it is going in the right direction?
Very, very
Okay. So this was Nikhil. Thank you, Nikhil. Best of luck your future. Next time, hope we will be seeing you in the uniform.
Yes,
okay.
Definitely.
Okay. Thank you. Jai Hind. Stay blessed. Stay focused. Thank you.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.